So here is the Rockpal solar panel that's just 80 watt. What you expect when you first receive it. So when you open it up, you first have this pouch in the front. And this is what holds all of the connectors in the actual panel itself. Let y'all see that. Working indicator, parallel indicator, the ports, the USB port here, the DC out port, USB out port, and the parallel port is on this side. And then you have all of your different cords, and they do have little tags on here to let you know, indicate which one they will possibly go with. All right. Then when you open it up, you do have these little stands that will allow you to lift it up when it is, well, sit it up when you have it land on the ground. And these are the actual panels. They do come with a plastic film that you would have to peel off, but very solid. The actual panel itself is very smooth. So I'm going to plug this in and let you see it in action. So the shade is now gone. I have this placed right here on my deck inside of my King portable 1000 watt, and right now it's giving me 87 watts, 88 watts. It doesn't, the numbers are moving because of my camera. It doesn't really move in real life. It's still, but yeah, I'm getting 82, 86. It's ranging because I have clouds moving and shadows are happening, but yeah, it's doing a really good job so far. And that's how I have it right on my deck.